All right. Welcome. This is Techni 360, a tech hub that reviews technological insights, advancements, tools, systems, platforms, architectures, and a whole lot of others in the tech space. All right. And in today's video, we'll be looking at AI video makers or AI video generators. All right. Before we delve in proper, we'll look at a note on prompt engineering, which has to do with the way you structure your text to assign to your model, in this case, your video generator model. All right. So do well to go through this note from top to bottom to acquaint yourself with the necessary tips you need to get a desired video at the end of the day. The video you get depends largely on the kind of text prompt you provided ab initio. Okay? So the link to this file is already in the description section. Do well to go through it intensively. All right. So today we'll be looking at pictory. The tool we'll be looking at today in this video is pictory. So the link to this page is also in the description section. At first, you'll be prompted to sign up. Okay. So you can sign up, then you will be on this page together with me. Okay. Then you are free to start with a trial version. You are given about 14 days to try the system, the platform, to know how it performs. If they meet up with your requirement, with your target, then you can go ahead and pick any of the paid plans and subscribe to. Okay. So you can actually make use of text to video, URL. If you have a blog, a website, just provide the URL. It will be used to make a video for you, probably to advertise that website for you. Okay. Images to video, video editor, slides to videos. You can also record directly on this platform. So our concern in this video is actually how to use text to get videos. So we click on the first option, text to video. So you have to provide the text prompt here. So you can type directly or you copy a prompt and paste here. Is that okay? And if you don't know of anything at all, just you can click start with an idea. All right. So let's pick a prompt from our note. Okay. Let's pick a prompt from our note here. Okay. Okay. Let's make use of this prompt. We'll copy all the way down here, excluding the quotation marks. All right. So we paste here. Okay. So this is the prompt we'll be using for the video. All right. So we have different things. You can optimize this prompt for one, can rephrase, shorten, lengthen, change tone, and the rest if need be. Okay. Then at the extreme right, you have some configuration to make, talking about the estimated duration. Okay, estimated duration. Okay, how long do you want this video? In our prompt we used 7 seconds. 7 seconds, but they estimated it to be 30 seconds. It's also okay. All right, the shape, will it be a landscape, portrait, or square? Let's make use of landscape, okay? All right, select brand. If you have a brand to make use of, you can select your brand, okay? Either your brand logo, color palette, and what have you. You provide the system with that to use with, okay? So once you're done with your setup and your prompt, you click generate video. All right, generate video. Okay, so you should wait while the video storyboard is being created. Okay, when you look at the left corner, you can see what is going on. So it's analyzing everything. We use your text prompts to create scripts which will form different scenes of the video, then all put together to make a full video. Is that okay? So you can actually make changes to suit your taste, what you want, okay? So let's be a bit patient while it does all of that. So it's asking if you want to enhance your video. If you want to enhance the video, you click enhance your video. If you don't want to, you click no thanks. Okay. You can see you can replace the stock footage. You can add AI voice over. You can style your scenes, add your logo or brand. Okay. Preview and share. So once the video is ready, you have a look at it and then decide what to do next. Okay. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Technique 360 YouTube channel, and turn on your notification for more videos on this. Okay. And already we have videos on AI video makers already. So do well to look for the other videos, okay? The more platforms you know, the better for you, okay? All right, so a video is ready, then we need to make changes where necessary. You can see the prompt we assigned was splitted into script or scenes, okay? So this scene 1, you can change anything at all. This write-up you see on the scene is what you're seeing on the left here, okay? You can add something like cheer up. You see? Can add something like cheer up, okay? Then if you need to add voiceover or the footage, you want to change it, you click change footage, okay? if you watch, the cherub I typed has been included. Okay. All right. So you use visuals to work on the footage. Okay. Probably anyone, you can use this instead. If we pick this, it will replace you. As you can see, it has replaced the one that was used before. Okay. All right. Right. So that's for scene one. You can click enhance your video for each of the scenes. Whatever you want to add, you want to replace the stock footage, just as we've done here. You want to add AI voice, style your scene, add your brand logo or other identity. You can actually do that. Okay. If you want to add AI voice over on the visuals. Okay. All right. So you can pick any of these. Let's pick this, say generate and apply. So this voiceover will be added to this scene one now. Okay, you can use different voiceovers for different scenes or the same for the whole scenes. All right, so any of the scenes you want to make changes on, you go ahead and do that. You can edit it, the write-up, can say the champions. Okay, the champions. All right. If you want to change the footage, just click on this enhance your video. You can replace the footage, add a voice over your brand logo and other identity. You are at will to do that. Any of the scenes at all. This scene 4, any changes you want to make on scene 4, this scene 5. So any of the scenes you don't want, you can also delete it. Assuming I don't want this scene, I'll click the delete scene button and click delete. So you can see that very scene has been taken off. Okay, so when you're done with all the necessary formatting changes, you preview the video to see how it performs. As you can see, wow, that's amazing. This is a preview, and at the top right corner we'll have a URL link you can copy and share with others to have a look at, and also make their own inputs where necessary before the final product is ready. Okay, that's the preview. So you close the preview. If you're all done this way, you go to the download button. Okay, so you can download this video for free, but that will come with the pictory watermark. If you don't want the watermark, that will require you to subscribe to any of the plans provided, okay? Or for a start, you can go ahead and download with the watermark. It's not really a big deal, okay? So if after previewing you still need to make further changes, that's okay. You can come in here, any of the scenes, change the write-ups, add audio, style, other text, preview again, and when you're all done, you click your download and have the video. So that will be all for this video. See you in the others. Thank you.
Thank you for staying tuned to the end. We believe you got value from this video. Smash that like button, subscribe to the Technic 360 channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new videos. Thank you from all of us at Technic 360.